Yes, my dear students, good afternoon to all of you guys. So, what is going on? Had your food? Yes, sir. No, proper food you had. So now I hope you are ready to get a proper sleep in the class. Yes, sir. No. Yes, sir. If I see you sleeping, what will I do? Kick you out of the class. What do, sir? Maja is coming. New chapter. Too many Maja is there. Don't worry. Okay. Not that Maja. No. Okay, everyone, pay attention, silent. Material costing chapter is over. Yes or no, everyone? So, introduction is over, material is over. Next, we are going ahead to the next segment, which is going to be labor costing. Now, yes, the average weightage of every chapter we have given in the first page, that is based on existing syllabus. Obviously, new syllabus also more or less same only will be there, but will be split between MCQs and descriptive questions. Okay, na? Okay. So material costing you're having somewhere roughly 7 to 9 marks weightage. Labor costing again somewhere 7 to 8 marks weightage you are having. So beautiful chapter, comparatively smaller than material costing. Yes. So let's quickly start. Yes, beautifully and properly let us try understanding and get some maja from this chapter. Is this clear, everyone? Now at the end of every chapter, yes, normally we give yes a small yes, a reminder, random reminder is trying to be a bit positive. If it is helping. Otherwise, it is just a page. You can read it, leave it. So simple. I will not read or explain it. It is for you guys. Whenever you are reading personally, you guys can read it. Okay. We are going to the next chapter, the beautiful chapter, which is going to be labor costing. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So I want to calculate the total cost. In that, what all is there, sir? Sir, firstly, direct material cost is there, direct labor is there, direct expense is there, overheads is there. That means now, previously I discussed about my material cost. Now we will be discussing about our labor cost. Is this clear, everyone? With that direct expense also at the end of this, we will be discussing it. So shall we start the session, everyone? Yes, sir. So altogether, three concepts. Concept number one is labor turnover ratio. Concept number two is labor remuneration system. Concept number three is miscellaneous areas. Concept number one, labor turnover ratio. Silence. Let us try understanding this with the help of a simple story. So for that, we will be going to a PPT. Beautiful story is there. You guys want to know? Yes or no, everyone? Okay. So Maja is coming. Yes, this is me. Okay. I decided once and for all. What are we going to do? We are going to stop teaching. Why? Maja is not coming for me. So we want to do something in which Maja is there. So I decided, yes, let us do one thing. Let us become a consultant. We will consult all big business entities. From that we will earn money. Yes or no? Is there a need daily to tell, shh, silence, listen to the class, do work? All those things is needed. No. They know the seriousness. Yes or no? When we are consulting, will they keep making noises? Ooh, ah. They will not do. Because they are serious. Is there a tension? All this tension is there. Yes, to listen to all these things. Oh, Tabish, all those things. Do I need to listen? No. That is what we want in life. No tension only. So, la 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 la. Jai. Okay. Yes, money is also coming. Look at this. Money. Okay. So, to whom we have become the consultant? We have become the consultant to. Who is this? Okay. Ah, for you. Silence, silence, silence. 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 Look at this recorder. I'm a very papa person. Very papa. These people. Okay. So I'm a consultant to whom? to Mr. Ambani. Yes or no? For you and for the entire world, he may be Ambani. For me, he is just Mukesh. Okay, old. Okay, said those. So we have gone to his factory premises. I taught him the hook step. Look at his walking style. La, la, la. Ajay. Okay. Silence. So, silence. Imagine this is the start of the year. We go to his factory. We discuss so many things. Okay. Yes. How much quantity should purchase? When should we purchase? What all is happening? How cost can be managed? How taxes can be reduced? All those things. Black to white. Black and white printing. Nothing else. Okay. Conversion. Black and white paper printing. Books and all will have to print. Black and okay, so all those things we discussed. Okay, fine. So I was about to leave. So we asked Mukesh something. Power for Sapdi Acha. We want some task, no? Task, Duddu, Paisa, money. I told, take. Yes or no? Yes, in one, what do you call, suitcase. So we got our money. We went back. La la la. Maja is now coming. So I was very happy, no tension only. Mukesh is there with us. What tension? So again, after a while, yes, by end of the year, again I'm coming. Too much money. So now I'm coming in. Harley Davidson, yes or no? Yes. So again I went. Can you see Mukesh? Kasu, Duttu, Paisa, money, Kasu. Okay? Silence. Come back to the topic. So Mukesh is sitting there with money. So I go, I meet him. Okay. So again we discuss so many more things. Okay, about yes, managing business, expanding business. How can we manage cost strategically? How can we improve operations? All those things we discuss. And at that particular time, while I was observing, I saw that some employees who were there previously, I also went at the start of the year, are not there now. Is it common? Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. Imagine I came here to KS this time. Imagine I'm coming to KS after 1 year. Whether all the employees who were there at the first point, will they all be here? No. Some change will be there. Yes or no, everyone? And tell me one very simple point, students. Change in my employees, my existing employees are leaving and going. Is this a good sign or is it a bad sign? It is a bad sign. That means we want it to increase or we want it to decrease. We want it to decrease. So in order to measure how much employees are leaving, I calculate my labor turnover ratio. Is this clear, everyone? So I asked Mukesh, what happened? Some employees are not there. So Mukesh told me, what is there with employees? Employees will keep coming, employees will keep going. But so long as money is there in and around, no tension. Yes, is it a good sign? Is it a bad sign? Whether our employees should leave our organization? No. So I tell Mukesh, look at this, Mukesh. Yes, our employees are our assets. So we should take care of them. We should ensure that our employees do not leave. But why? One employee goes, other employee comes now. See, if one employee leaves, we have to do his full and final settlement. For that, we have to incur cost. Yes or no, everyone? New employee, we have to recruit. For that, I have to incur cost. I'll have to select him. For that, I have to incur cost. I have to give him training. For that, again, I have to incur cost. He commits a mistake. I have to rectify. Again, for that, I have to incur cost. And one employee goes, a new employee comes. In between that, there will be a time gap wherein employee is not there, work is not happening, production is not happening, sale is not happening, profit also is not happening. There also it is loss. So, yes, there is a lot of cost we are incurring when our existing employee leaves. So, we should ideally ensure that our employee should not leave. Yes, so if our employee does not leave, our profit will increase. Increase. More cost will come. More cost will come. We will do this. Yes or no? So he told, okay, fine, we will do this. So again, I am about to leave. So I'm asking Mukesh for what? Suitcase. Some power. For us also, sapdi acha. Konjam sapdinga. Cast it. Yes or no? So he told, take this. Okay, too many like this is there at home. So he gave us. Okay, so yes, I went. I am happy. Yes, this is next story. For now, let us come back here. labor turnover ratio. What is a labor turnover ratio? It is the rate of change of employees in an organization. Basically it is telling how much percent employees are changing. Now assume we are an organization which includes 100 employees. In that 10 employees have changed. I will give you time to write, don't worry. We are an organization in which 100 employees are there. In that 10 employees have changed. Can you guys tell me how much percentage employees have changed? 10% employees. How did I get? Sir, simple, sir. Jujibi, sir. It is a change divided by original value. Sir, 10 employees have changed. On what? On 100 employees into 100. Yes or no, everyone? So, a simple structure of the formula. Okay. Yes, everyone. So, look at this, look at this, look at this, students. So, we are having 100 employees in our organization. In that 10 employees have changed, 10 employees have left, whatever it is. How much percentage employees have changed? 10 percentage employees have changed. So, if you have to create a simple formula from that, can I tell? It is a change in employees divided by number of employees into 100. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. This is going to be the simple structure of my labor turnover ratio. How much percentage employees have changed? Change in employees divided by number of employees into 100. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Now, just let us understand slowly a bit more. Yes, when I'm telling number of employees, sir, number of employees at the start of the year, that is opening number of employees, number of employees at the end of the year, that is closing number of employees, will they both be one and the same? No, sir, employees are changing, then how it can be one and the same? That means which one I should take, sir? Sir, should I be taking opening employees? Should I be taking closing employees? Or should I be taking the average employees throughout the year? I will be taking the average number of employees throughout the year because I want to know on an average how much percentage employees have changed. So it is going to be change in employees divided by average number of employees into 100. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So let us understand each of these things in detail. Okay, it is change in employees divided by average number of employees into 100. So when I'm telling a change in employees, change means one of the two things. It is either separation or accession. What is separation? Separation means an existing employee is going tata bye bye. Accession or addition means a new employee is coming. Yes or no, everyone? Is this clear? So when I'm telling change, it can be one of the two things, either separation, tata bye bye, or accession. New employees come. Just to give you a very simple example. Okay. Yes, we have Mohan. Mohan is, you guys know Mohan? You don't know Mohan? He comes here. Okay. So imagine Mohan is right now working at KSA. Yes or no? Next time I'm coming. Yes, Mohan is not to be seen. It's not that he is kidnapped. He is not in KSA. Okay. So what is this? Separation. Tata bye bye. Now what all can be the reason for separation? Yes. One of the... one of the two reasons can be there. Look at this, everyone. Either it can be employee left or it can be employee discharged. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Either employee has left by himself. He is only telling, I don't want this job. Or employee discharged. Yes, he has been removed by the organization. Yes or no, everyone? Say for example, say for example, say for example. Yes. Item became a CA. Yes, he wanted to, yes, work. So he decided, yes, we are having a consulting firm, so he will be working there. Decided. So he started working there. Yes, after 1 month, item is not working. What all can be the reason? Either item has left by himself. He does not want to work. Or we kicked him out, telling he is not working. Yes or no? Separation. Tata bye bye. What all can be the reason? Either employee is leaving by himself or we are kicking the employee out of the organization. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. Or one more thing can be accession. That means new employees are coming into the organization. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. What all can be the reason for accession? It can either be replacement to an existing employee. or it can be for a fresh post altogether. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Yes, accession or addition can be one of the two reasons. What all it can be? It can either be as a replacement to existing employee. Yes, Mohan was there. Mohan left. That means in Mohan's place, someone else should come. What is it? It is a replacement to an existing employee. Is this clear? Or it can be for a fresh post altogether. Suppose, yes, KS Academy is thinking, now we are anyways taking classes for CA. Along with that, let us take classes for NEET as well. NEET is interesting because NEET has biology. So, in an interesting way, we can teach. Okay. Yes, anyways, people here are experts at making noise. So, they'll understand quickly also. Manish will be a faculty. But Manish has a specific taste. Okay. Silence, silence, silence. So understand. Till now only CA classes were going on. Now NEET classes have begun. For that also faculties are needed. For that also staff is needed. Yes, whether new employees are recruited. Yes, recruited. Accession. What is it? Is it as a replacement? No, boss. It is for a fresh post altogether. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So till now what we have discussed. Labor turnover ratio. How much percent employees are changing? It is change in employees divided by average number of employees into 100. When I'm telling the change in employees, change can be one of the two things. Tell me students, what all change can mean? It can either mean separation, tata bye bye, or accession, new employees coming, welcome. Separation, again two reasons. Employee left by himself or employee discharged, we kicked him out. Accession, new employees coming, again two reasons. It can either be as a replacement to existing employee or it can be for a fresh post altogether. Till here is it clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Now understand, yes, one very simple point. Sir, why should we calculate percentage in the first place, sir? Sir, we want to know labor turnover, how much employees are changing. It should be less, correct? If we just get the number, is it not sufficient? 10 employees left, 20 employees left, 30 employees left. Is it not sufficient? Sufficient, sir. Why do we want percentage and all? Yes, percentage is needed for comparison purpose. Whenever we are calculating percentage, why on earth are we calculating percentage? For comparison purpose. Yes or no, everyone? So understand, imagine there are two different organizations. One, we have Tata. Okay. Tata is an organization which is known for its employee friendly policies. Yes or no, everyone? Assume in Tata there are 1 lakh employees. In that, in 1 year, 1,000 employees leave. How much percentage employees are changing? Can you guys calculate and tell me? 1,000 by 1 lakh. 0.1%. Yes or no, everyone? Imagine there is one more organization. Okay, we'll change. Majai. Yes. What? 1%. Okay. You only told me 0.1. I wrote 0.1. 1%. Na? Okay, fine. Now, imagine, yes, I started, yes, one more very big conglomerate. Yes, it is called the Maja Group of Businesses. Okay. There. Assume one employee joined. No. Okay. One employee joined. He worked for 30 days. Okay. Then he told, yes, even if I don't earn for my entire lifetime, okay, I will not work with this psycho. Who is psycho? I don't know. God knows. Okay. So we are telling one employee was there, one employee left. How much percentage? 100%. Imagine I am the CEO of Maja Group of Businesses. I'm telling, do you know Tata? How big a name Tata is? Yes, in Tata every year 1,000 employees leave. But we at Maja Group of Business, we are so caring about our employees. We take care of employees so beautifully, so wonderfully that in our organization only one employee. Is it giving you a proper picture? Is it giving you a proper picture? No, boss, it is not giving you a proper picture. That means for comparison purposes, inter-firm comparison, yes, within industries, outside industries comparison, what is needed? Percentage, relative measures are needed. That is why I am converting it into percentages. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, boss. Now, let us do some basic calculations. Look at this, everyone. Simple jujube calculations. Opening employees. At the start of the year, how many employees were there? 1,000. Closing employees. At the end of the year, how many employees are there? 975. How many employees are left? 100. How many employees we kicked them out? 150. Yes, in their place, how many replacements we brought? 125. How many employees we brought for the new post? 100. Now, some basic calculations let us do. Look at this, everyone. Average number of employees. Can you guys tell me the formula for average? Tell me at the start of the year how much was there? 1000. At the end of the year, how much is there? 975. Can I calculate my average? Yes or no, everyone? So I'll tell my average number of employees is nothing but opening employees plus closing employees divided by 2. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, at the start of the year, 1000 was there, boss. End of the year, only 975 is there. That means on an average, how much is it going to be? 987.5. I can make it as 988. Is it possible to have a 0.5 employee? 0.5 first half, give me. Not possible. Yes or no? So we will be making it 988 employees. Yes or no? Is there some problem in the camera? Yes, everyone. So let us continue our discussion. Pay attention. Time to be serious. Time to be serious. Time to be serious, everyone. Shh. Wait. There. So average number of employees, I have told it is opening plus closing divided by 2. Okay, boss. Now I want to calculate employees at the end of the year. Assume I don't know this value. But still I want to calculate. Can I still calculate? Tell me, students, at the start of the year, how many employees are there? Sir, 1000 are there, sir. Sir, how many employees left, sir? Sir, 100 left, sir. That means how much is there? 900 only. Sir, how many employees? We kicked them out, sir. 150. That means 900, 150 went. How much is there? 750 is only there, sir. Sir, as replacement, how much we took, sir? Sir, 125 we took, sir. Sir, 750 plus 125, 875 should be there. Sir, for fresh position, how much we took, sir? 100 we took, sir. That means how much should be there? 975. That means can I tell it is opening employee minus left minus discharge plus replace plus fresh post should be giving me my closing employees. Yes or no, everyone? Opening employees minus left minus discharged plus replaced plus fresh post should be giving me my closing employees. Yes or no, everyone? If you want numbers also, we can put 1000 was there, 100 employees left, 150 we kick them out. Yes, 125 was replaced, 100 for fresh post, something like that was there, the numbers. So I will be getting 975. Yes or no, everyone? Okay, sir. This is also clear, sir. Jujube, sir. Yes, dear, it is Jujube only, dear. Next, employee separations. Tell me. In separations, what all will be there? Sir, left is also there, sir. Discharge is also there. How many employees left by themselves? 100. How many employees we kick them out? 150. So total, how many separations? 250. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So it is employee left less employee discharged. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Now accessions. In accessions, who all will be there? Replacement means also new employees coming. Fresh post means also new employees coming. So how many replacement we got? 125. How many employee for fresh post we got? 100. So total how much it is going to be? 225. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So for my accession, I will tell is going to be employees replaced. Employees replaced plus employees for fresh post, new post, whatever you want, you can tell. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Perfect. Shall we slowly continue our discussion further? There are 3 different ways of calculating my labor turnover ratio. What are those 3 different ways? Can you guys repeat it? Yes, first method is going to be my separation method. Second method is going to be my replacement method. Third method is going to be my flux method. Okay. What is the simple structure we had developed and kept? Sir, we told we want the percentage change. So it is a change divided by average number of employees into 100. Yes or no, everyone? Now change can be anything. Separation is also change. Accession is also change. Total is also change. Everything is change. So what change I should consider? Separation method is telling which one should we consider? Separation only I will be taking. That means what is going to be my formula, students? Simple, sir. I will be taking my employee separations divided by average number of employees into 100. Is this clear, everyone? Next, replacement method is there. What is replacement method telling? What I should consider? Only replacement I should be considering. Okay, boss. So it is going to be number of employees replaced divided by average number of employees into 100. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Flux is, what is flux method? Flux is telling, boss, I want total change. Employees going means also cost. Employees coming means also cost. So let me see total. What is the percentage change? Okay, boss. So overall change I want. What is change? Separation is also there. Accession is also there. So it is going to be separation plus accession divided by average number of employees into 100. Is this clear, everyone? Got a reasonable idea? Yes or no? We will be discussing in detail, but before that, just write it down. Labor turnover ratio, separation method, replacement method, flux method. Recorded students, please pause and write it down. Yes, everyone. So let us continue our discussion. So till now, what all we have discussed, let us quickly summarize. Yes. In a period, yes, the employees who were there at the start of the period, yes, will they only be there till the end of the period? No, sir. Change will be there. Whether change is good or change is bad. This change is bad, sir. So I want to see how much percent employees have changed. That is why I am calculating my labor turnover ratio. It is a percentage change in employees. Simple formula, change in employees divided by average number of employees into 100. Okay, when I'm telling change in employees, what all can be there? Either separation or accession. Separation, again, two reasons. Employee left, employee discharged. Accession, again, two reasons. Employee replaced, employee for fresh. Is this clear? Okay, sir. Next. Yes, we discuss some basic formulas. Average is opening plus closing divided by 2. Closing number of employees, if I want, it is opening minus left minus discharge plus replace plus fresh post. Separation is left plus discharge. Accession is replacement plus fresh post. Based on that, we told there are three different ways in which I can be calculating my labor turnover ratio. First is separation method. Second is replacement method. Third is flux method. Yes, so each of them let us try discussing slightly in more detail. Yes, everywhere the base is same. Everything we are calculating as a percentage of average employees. But what am I comparing? That is changing. First method is separation method. What is separation method telling? Here we compare the employees separated with the average employees in the organization. We are calculating how many percentage employees have separated from the organization. Tell me, students, existing employees leaving the organization, is it a good sign or a bad sign? It's a bad sign. That means we want it to be minimal. Yes or no? So we are calculating how much percentage employees are leaving the organization. We want it to be minimum. That is why we are calculating. Is this clear, everyone? So that continuously we'll take steps to understand why they are leaving, what is the problem they are facing, so that we can tackle that and ensure that our existing employees are not leaving the organization. For that, I am calculating this. Is this clear, everyone? What is the simple formula? Yes, I am telling it is number of employees separated divided by average number of employees into 100. Everywhere my base is going to be same only, average employees. Yes or no? Yes. Whenever I am writing EES, it is employees. Okay. Now, tell me in separation what all will be there? Left will also be there. Discharge will also be there. Yes. Where separations is equal to employee left plus employee discharged. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. So in this example, let me try seeing how much percentage employees have left. Look at this, everyone. Yes, yes. What is the percentage of separation? Tell me how many employees have left? 100. How many employees we kicked them out? 150. So total, how much separations are there? So 250 separations are there. On an average of how many employees we are having? 988 into 100. That means how much percentage, students? How much? 20.3. Okay, percentage. Yes or no? So can I tell that means roughly 25.3 percentage of our employees are separating from the organization on a yearly basis. This is a very big number. So you have to understand why it is happening, why they are leaving, what is the problem, pay is less or no opportunity, work is hectic or whatever it is. And accordingly, we'll have to try and solve this. Yes or no, everyone? This is what my separation method is. Okay, well, Shall we go ahead to the next method? Yes, sir. What is the next method? Next method is my replacement method. Okay, this, let me just put this number here. Need it, but still. Okay, what is my replacement method trying to tell? It is telling, boss, there is no need to compare separation. Let us compare a replacement. Here we are going to compare my employees replaced with the average number of employees in the organization. Can you guys tell me the formula? It is going to be number of employees replaced divided by average number of employees into 100. Now, sir, why this formula is there, sir? Why not that formula? Now, understand, see, every business entity, based on their way of doing business, they're using these things. There is no set of instruction telling this has to be used, that has to be used. Anything is fine. But here, understand what is the logic this formula is trying to tell. See, it is telling, okay, boss, 25% employees have separated. Fine, no issue. In that, tell me properly how many employees have left. Left was only 100. 150, what happened? We kicked them out. It could be possible work was not there, so we kicked them out. It could be possible they were not working, so we kicked them out. It could be possible 2 employees, one employee could have done, we kicked them out. Yes or no? So if I consider my separation, it could be possible that I am not getting a proper picture. But when I take a replacement, I would be getting a better picture. Why, sir? Because I will only replace those employees who were actually needed to the organization. Yes or no, everyone? Assume, yes, I'm telling, in our organization, 3 employees are there. Yes, in that, 1 employee is not working only. Okay, he doesn't know to do the work only. 1 employee has no work. He knows to do the work, but there is no work for him. 1 employee was actually doing the work. He actually had work also. Yes, he left. These 2, we kicked them out. That means separation is 3. But in a reality, effectively, how many employees we wanted who left the organization? It was 1 only. Yes or no, everyone? So it is telling that instead of taking separation, if we take a replacement, it will give me a slightly better idea, because it will tell me effectively how many employees were needed for us, but they left. Is this clear, everyone? Now understand, there is absolutely nothing in this, but I'm just somewhere trying to, yes, build logics and give you 3 different things as to why it is happening. Okay, yes, ultimately same. Replacement means I'm comparing replacement. End of the story. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. That means I'm comparing my employees replaced with my average number of employees. Tell me, in this situation, how many employees are replaced? 125 on an average of 988. That means how much percentage? 12 point whatever percentage. Yes or no, everyone? Okay. This is what my replacement method is telling. Till here, is this clear? Yes, sir. It is clear, sir. Then comes my final method, which is the flux method. Here what we are comparing, here we compare the total change in workforce with the average employees in the organization. Here I am telling overall how much percentage employees have changed. Tell me, if my employee is separating, telling Tata bye bye, is it change? Yes, sir, it is change. New employee is coming, accession, is it also change? Yes, sir, it is also change. Existing employee is leaving, should I incur cost? Yes, sir. A settlement I'll have to do, for that I'll have to incur cost. New employee is coming, for that also should I incur cost? Yes, sir, for that also I should incur. I should recruit, select, train. If he commits mistake, rectify, all those things I'll have to do. So flux method is telling overall how much percentage employees have changed. It is the overall change. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Yes, everyone. So in flux method, I'm telling overall how much percentage employees have changed. So how will I write it, students? Employees going is also change. Employees coming is also change. Both are disrupting our existing system. So I want to see the overall change. It is a separation. Okay, Tata, bye bye. Plus accession. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This gives me the total change divided by average number of employees into 100. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So if I'm calculating my replacement method, tell me average was 988. Employees replaced was 125 only. How much percentage it came to? 12.6 percentage. Okay. Flux method. Tell me overall change I want to see. Tell me separation, separation, separation. How many employees are ultimately separated? 100 left by themselves. 150 we removed. That means total 250. Yes or no, everyone? 250 is a separation. how many accessions, how many new employees have joined. For replacement, how much we got? 125. For fresh post, how much we got? 100. That means total 225. Yes or no? Divided by average number of employees is, I guess, 988 into 100. How much percentage is it going to be? 48.0. So that means overall, yes, there's a roughly around a 48.07 change in our employee composition. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Perfect. Huh? Yes, this is what my formulas are trying to tell. Simple. Forget everything. Shh. Simple structure of my formula: change divided by average number of employees into 100. In separation, which one I will consider? Separation. In replacement, which one I will consider? Replacement. In flux, which one I will consider? Both. That is separation plus replacement. Sorry, separation plus accession. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, wow. Okay, sir. Now understand. Concept is over. Some more points based on that we'll start solving question. Nothing was there. GGB concept it was. Yes, blast from the past. Relationship. Aha, this is what we want. Between whom and whom? Between flux and separation and oh my god. Aha, Manish, three people. Yes, replacement. What is the relationship? Look at this, students. Flux is always going to be greater than or equal to the total of separation plus replacement. Yes, not important from exam perspective, but just a simple observation for us to keep in mind. Yes or no? Just look at this, students. In this example, also look at this. Tell me how much percentage was my separation? 25.3. How much was the replacement? 12.6. If you add the two, how much you're getting? Some 37.9 something. Look at flux, how much you're getting? 48. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Sir, how is it coming, sir? Simple logic. Look at this. In flux, what all is there? Sir, in flux, separation is also there, sir. Accession is also there. Divided by average number of employees. Can I further simplify it as separation divided by average number of employees plus accession divided by average number of employees? Yes or no? Imagine I'm having 1 plus 2 divided by 10. Either I can add 1 plus 2 is 3 by 10, 0.3, or I can 10 1 by 10, 0.1 plus 2 by 10, 0.2. That will also give me the same answer only. Yes, boss. Okay, wow. Okay, sir. Now separation divided by average number of employees plus accession divided by average number of employees. Yes, what is there in accession? In accession, what all is there? Sir, replacement is also there. Fresh post is also there. So that means, can I tell in accession, replacement is also there, fresh post is also there. So if I simplify it further, it becomes replacement divided by average number of employees plus fresh post divided by average number of employees. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. That means, understand, in flux method, suppose there is no employee who is coming for fresh post. This will become 0. That means my flux will be equal to total of separation plus replacement. But there are employees for fresh post. That means this will be there. That means flux will be greater than total of separation plus replacement. Is this clear, everyone? If you have understood that, great. Otherwise, absolutely irrelevant from your examination perspective. Just as a cross verification for you guys to know personally that what you have done is right or wrong, you can use it. That's all. Is this clear, everyone? Sir, derivation, that, this, everything not needed. Absolutely. Simple observation is sufficient. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Now comes the next point. Sir, how questions can be asked in this, sir? Two different types questions can be asked. Either normal question or a reverse calculation question. Sir, what is normal question, sir? Sir, they will give us the data. We have to calculate a ratio. That means, what is reverse calculation, sir? They will give us the ratio. We have to calculate the data. Nothing new in this. Yes or no? We have been playing this from a long time. So look at this. A simple example we have given here. Question is telling me that as per flux method, now employee turnover rate is 20%. Okay, boss. Replacement is 10%. Okay, boss. Separation is 5%. And the number of employees replaced is 50 employees. So what all I'll have to calculate? Yes, I'll have to calculate my average number of employees. Number of employees is separated. I'll have to calculate my accession. I'll have to calculate my fresh post. Can you guys try it by yourselves? Initially try it by yourselves. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. Just a simple example, write it down everyone. Quickly do it. Yes, everyone. So look at this. Simple way of calculating, pay attention. Yes, only one place you may go wrong. Okay, look at this, everyone. Now, all percentage is given. Replacement percentage is also given. Number of employees replaced is also given. That means from where I should start my question? I should start from this particular data. Yes or no, everyone? Great. So those who have got the answers as well as those who have not got the answers, please look at this. Solution. I will first start with my replacement method. Yes, what is going to be the formula? It is going to be number of employees replaced divided by average number of employees into 100. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Now understand what is my replacement method percentage. It is a 10 percentage. Now understand one very simple point wherein yes, you may go wrong. Shh. Percentage means always a decimal. If you do into 100, it becomes a whole number. And my LHS should be equal to RHS. So if you do an into 100 here, you should be writing a whole number here. If you are not doing, you should be writing a decimal here. What on earth are you telling, sir? Simple example I am giving. Yes. In 100 employees, 10 employees have changed. How much is the percentage? It is a 10%. If you do 10 by 100, how much you are getting on calculator? 0.1. At the same time, if you do 10 by 100 into 100, how much you are getting on calculator? 10 as the whole number you are getting. So if you do into 100, you are getting a whole number. If you do not do, you are getting a percent decimal. Is this clear? Basics. Yes or no? Okay, that means if you are doing into 100, I will write a number. Otherwise, I will write in terms of decimal. Whichever you want, you can do. I will prefer writing it in terms of decimals. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, so 10 percentage means how much, students? 10 percentage means 0.1. Yes or no, everyone? Okay. Number of employees replaced is how much? 50 divided by average number of employees. Yes, can I calculate my average number of employees? Tell me, students. This one I will take it here, becomes into. This one I will bring it here, becomes a divide. So my average number of employees, it is 50 divided by 0.1. It is going to be 500. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. What 500? Chapala. What is 500? What am I doing here? Kg. Sorry, units. What? 500 employees. That is going to be your presentation. It is telling your answer what it is. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Once I've got my average number of employees, then everything we can keep doing. Look at this, everyone. Average employees I got. Separation percentage is given. Can I not calculate employees separated? Yes, sir. So look at this. I will write down separation method. It is a number of employees separated divided by average number of employees. If I do into 100, it becomes a whole number, or else it remains a decimal. Tell me separation is how much percentage? 5%. So I will write it as 0.05. Yes, number of employees separated, I don't know. Divided by average number of employees did I get? Yes, sir. 500 I got, sir. That means tell me, can I be calculating my number of employees separated? Yes, as I'll keep it here, it is 500 will go to the other side, becomes into. Tell me 500 into 0.05. How much is it? 25. Yes or no? So can I tell that my employees separated is equal to 25? Yes or no, everyone? What 25? 25 employees, sir. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, sir. Then I should also be doing as per my flux method. Yes or no, everyone? So I will continue here itself. Look at this. Tell me, what is the formula of flux method? It is separation plus accession divided by average number of employees into 100. If I do into 100, it becomes a whole number. Yes, otherwise it will be remain a decimal. Let me keep it in terms of decimal. Tell me flux method how much it is. Sir, 10, sorry, 20%, sir. 20% is how much, students? 0.2. Tell me separation is how much? Separation is how much? Did I calculate? Yes, sir. I just calculated. Separation is 25. Oh. Plus accession is how much? Sir, I don't know, sir. That is what we want. Divided by average employees how much? Sir, 500, sir. Oh. So can we simplify? Yes or no? 500 here is in the division. If I take it to the other side, what it will become? Multiplication. So it is a 0.2 into 500 is equal to 25 plus accession. Tell me 0.2 into 500. 20% of 500 is how much? 100. So 100 is equal to 25 plus accession. 25, if I bring it to the other side, it becomes minus 100 minus 25 is equal to accession. Therefore, accession is equal to 75 employees. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So altogether 75 new employees have come. In that, can you guys tell me as a replacement how many employees have come? Sir, 50 employees have come, sir. That means for fresh post, how many employees will be there? How much will be there? 25 employees will be there. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Is this clear? Now, if a question like this comes in the examination, yes, which has come many a times, yes, what will they be asking? They will first ask calculate average number of employees. Yes, have I calculated average number of employees? Yes, sir. It will tell, yes, calculate the total number of employees left hand discharged. Left hand discharged. What is the left hand discharged? Separations. So I will be telling properly, yes, left hand discharge is going to be 25 employees. And it will ask, yes, what are the total number of employees recruited in the organization? Total new employees recruited in the organization. Tell me which one should I answer? Should I tell accession? Should I tell replacement? Should I tell fresh post? Number of employees recruited and joined. If they ask this, which one should I be telling? I should be telling accession. Because as a replacement also, if an employee is coming, I should recruit. For fresh post also, if he is coming, I should recruit. Is this clear, everyone? That means I should be telling accession. That's all question will be asking. Even this bifurcation also it will not ask. Now, but because we know a bit of concepts, let us try doing some maja here. Okay, average employees I calculated. Based on this, is it possible to calculate opening as well as closing number of employees? Okay, I've given you, some of you guys have got it as well. How many of you have got the answer, opening as well as closing? Okay, great. Those who have not got, no problem, because it was never asked in examination till now. Okay, and likelihood that it may be asked is also going to be very less. Okay, but still you got it, great, celebrate. Those who did not get it, no issues, we are here. Now understand. Shh. I've told you, simple point in life. Whenever we get stuck in a problem, whenever we don't know what to do in life, whom we should go to, who is having all the solution to our problem? We should remember our ex. Okay, our ex is very powerful. Yes or no? How did they completely destroying our life? Yes or no? Okay. Now pay attention, everyone. I know my average number of employees formula. Tell me, students, what is the formula for average number of employees? Is opening employee plus closing employees divided by 2. Yes or no? And what is my average number of employees? 500. Do I know opening employees? No, sir. Do I know closing employees? No, sir. But still I want to know average. So divided by 2. This I know. Let me do one thing. Any one thing, let me assume as X. Let me assume my opening employee as X. So that I am assuming at the start of the year, how many employees are there? X employees are there. Okay. Now, if I know opening, can I calculate closing? Yes, sir. X employees were there at the start of the year. Okay. In that, how many employees are separated? 25 employees are going. Tata, bye-bye. 25 is gone. How many new employees are coming? Accession. How many employees are coming? 75. La 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 la. People are also coming. Yes or no, everyone? That means what is going to be my closing number of employees? X is there. Minus 25 plus 75 will be plus 50. This is going to be my closing number of employees. Yes or no, everyone? Okay, boss. Opening is X, closing is X plus 50 divided by 2 should be giving me 500. Can I simplify this? Yes, sir. Yes, 2 here is in the division. If I take it here, multiplication 500 into 2 is going to be 1000 is equal to 2x plus 50. 50 take it to the other side becomes minus 50. That is 950 is equal to 2x. Therefore, the value of x is 950 by 2, 475. Oh my God, how much we searched for you, how much we were crying for you. We were hidden here. Huh? Whom we got? We got hold of our x. Yes or no? Majja is coming. But once we get our x, whom we should not forget? We should not forget who our x is. Who is our x, Priyanka? Who is our x? Huh? Not Ganja. Who is our x? Opening number of employees is x. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Therefore, opening number of employees is equal to x is equal to 475. Closing number of employees. What is closing employees? It is x plus 50. X plus 50. 475 plus 50. It is 525. Is this clear, everyone? This is never asked till now in none of the examination, but still, just for some maja purpose, we did this one as well. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? 2 small GGB points are there. We'll finish it off, and with that, the concept will be over. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Next thing is equivalent labor turnover ratio. Sir, what is this, sir? Equivalent labor turnover ratio. Let us understand with a simple example. Assume question is telling you that labor turnover for 1 month is 3%. That means in 1%, yes, in 1 month, how much percent employees are leaving? Roughly 3% of my average employees are leaving. Question is asking, calculate equivalent annual labor turnover ratio. Very difficult question. Okay, look at this, everyone. 1 month na 3% employees are leaving. What do you call it in Tamil? Poranga. Huh? Porange. Why in Tamil every word is ending like that? Because of Manisha. Oh, that is respect. Okay. Good. Okay. Poranga. Okay, fine. Manish is teaching me everything wrong only. He taught me some dialogue. I don't know. God only knows what was that. Yes, I want to know in 1 year. Tell me, students, in 1 year, how many months are there? Yes, in 12 months, how much percent employee poranga? 1 month, 3%. Da 12 months, etera percentage? 3% per month into 12 months. It is going to be 36% per annum. Yes or no? What was new in this? Nothing. If question gives you per quarter, how many quarters are there in a year? How many quarters are there in a year? 4. Priyanka, how many quarters are there in a year? Priyanka? 4. Okay, fine. Do not, you will only commit mistake in the exam. Okay, I know. Okay, now you will tell. Okay, perfect. If it gives you per month, you will convert it into 12 months. Per quarter into 4 quarters. Per week into 52 weeks. So on and so forth. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Then the last point we are having is total cost to the company due to labor turnover. What is the total cost we are incurring in the company due to labor turnover? Yes, in that what all will be there. Understand, existing employee is going tata bye bye. His settlement we have to do. New employee is coming. Welcome. So I'll have to do his recruitment. I'll have to do his selection. Yes, he doesn't know the work. He's mandus. For him, I have to give him training. He's still a mandus. He does mistakes. So what I have to do? Rectification. And then understand, one employee has left. One more employee is joining. In between that, there is a time gap. Yes or no, everyone? Where employee is not there. That means work is not happening. That means I am not selling goods. That means my profit is lost. Yes or no, everyone? That profit lost should also be included. It is called as a contribution lost due to unproductive hours. Yes, sir. What is contribution? Yes, for now, understand it is nothing but profit lost. Is this clear, everyone? In FM, have you heard the term contribution? Yes, over. FM is over for you. No, but that thing is over. Marginal cost it and all, sales minus variable cost contribution. That basics, PV ratio, all those things you've heard. Good. Otherwise, also we'll teach. Don't worry. I'm there. Okay. Fine. Shh. Silence. So, what is contribution loss due to unproductive hours? Yes. Let us understand with help of simple example. Imagine. Shh. Manish is there. Okay. Manish is our employee. Imagine. Yes. In parallel world. Yes. Manish is not a CA student. Yes. He is a tailor. Star tailor. He stitches shirts. Shirt. Highlights the example. I'm not going double meaning. I'm telling proper example. In 1 hour, he stitches one shirt. Okay. Every shirt I will sell at 1,000 rupees. My total cost of stitching is 500. That means tell me in 1 hour how much profit I'm making. 500 rupees profit I'm making. Is this clear and simple? In 1 day, Manish works for 10 hours. Tell me in 1 hour how much profit he'll earn and give it to me. 500. That means 10 hours how much he's earning. 5,000. That means if Manish works for 1 day, how much profit he's earning and giving to me. 5,000. Is this clear? That means if Manish is absent on 1 day, how much profit is lost for me? 5,000 profit is lost for me. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So he was working with us in Maja Shirts, wherein we were manufacturing. Yes, Maja Shirts. Yes, he worked with us for probably 6 months. Then after that, yes, a big fight happened between the two of us. He told, I am leaving. I told, okay, get lost. Okay, so he left. But after that, for 2 months, no employee was there. That means 60 days, we did not have any employee producing shirts. That means we could not sell shirt. That means we could not earn profit. Tell me, if Manish was there for 1 day, 10 shirts, 500 per shirt, 5,000 profit he was earning and giving. That means if Manish is not there 1 day, what is a loss? 5,000 is a loss for 1 day. 60 days means what is a total loss? 5,000 per day into 60 days, it is going to be 3 lakh is going to be the loss. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. That is going to be contribution loss due to unproductive hours. We will add all that. We will be getting the total cost to labor turnover ratio. Is this clear, everyone? Yes. Quickly have a look at 1 or 2 questions from your question bank. I'm getting an important call. Just 2 to 3 minutes and quickly speak. Okay. Question bank. Yes, everyone. So let us quickly continue our discussion. Pay attention, everyone. Look at this. Simple JGB questions. The accountant of Y Limited has computed employee turnover rate for the quarter ended. Quarter is how much months? 3 months. 31st March as 10%, 5%, 3% under flux replacement separation. Okay. If the number of workers replaced is 30, find out the number of workers recruited and joined. What do I want? Accession, left and discharge. What do I want? Separation. Equivalent employee turnover rate for the year. Simple. For the quarter is available into 45. I will be getting for the year. Yes or no? Everyone. Simple GGB question. Let us do it quickly. Let me quickly write down the data. Tell me. First, let me write down the basic data. Yes, tell me as per separation, how much percentage it is, students? Separation is 3%. Flux is 10, 5, 3. 10%, 5%, 3%. As per which all? Flux, replacement, separation. All these are per quarter. Silence. Then what more is given? Number of employees replaced is 30. Number of employees replaced is 30. Yes, we should be doing all the calculations. Look at this, everyone. How do we do the calculations? Pay attention. First, from where will I start? Sir, replacement is given now. So from there, let us start. Tell me replacement method. It is number of employees replaced divided by average number of employees. How much is the percentage? 5%, which is 0.05. Number of employees replaced is 30 divided by average. Take it to the other side, numerator. This bring it here, denominator. 30 divided by 5%. Is it 600 employees? Yes or no? Once I've got this, same the one that we have solved previously, nothing is there. Based on that, yes, separation method is number of separation divided by average number of employees. Tell me separation, how much is percent? 3 percentage, that is 0.03 is equal to separation divided by average is 600. So tell me 600 into 3 percentage is how much? 18 employees. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Then I want to calculate accession. For that I'll be going to flux. Flux method. It is nothing but separation plus accession divided by average number of employees. Tell me what is flux ratio? Flux is 10 percentage, which is going to be 0.1. Separation is 18 plus accession I don't know, divided by average number of employees is 600. Tell me 600 into 0.1 is 60 minus 18 is 42. Therefore, accession is equal to 42. Tell me in this how much is replaced, how much is fresh post? Do I want that? No, boss, not needed. Opening employee, closing employees. Do I want that? Not needed, boss. This much only is sufficient. Okay, this much only will do. Yes, but if I just write this much, whether my answer is over? No, we'll have to answer the specific requirement. What did they ask? Number of employees recruited and joined. So I'll be writing, therefore, number of employees recruited and joined. What is that? That is accession. It is 42 employees for the quarter. Okay. Yes, then number of employees left and discharged, which is nothing but separation. How much is it, students? Number of employee separations, can you guys tell me? It is 18 employees. And then question is also asking me what is the equivalent annual labor turnover ratio? Equivalent annual labor turnover ratio. Tell me, flux method, how much is the ratio which is given? Sir, 20% per quarter, sir. I want for 4 quarters, sir. It is 80% per annum. Yes or no, everyone? It is 10 percentage. Okay, 10, 5, 3. 10, 5, 3. 5 4s are 20% per annum. 40% per annum. 3 4s are 12% per annum. Yes or no, everyone? Question is over. Simple. Any doubts in this? Any mistakes in this? No, right? Okay. What happened? Deva. Okay. Yes, everyone. Question number 2. We will be discussing this tomorrow. If you want, you can read it once. If you guys know the basics of contribution, you will be in a position to reasonably understand and solve it. Otherwise, anyways, we'll discuss it tomorrow. No issues. Question number 3, which came in the past examination, July 21 for 5 marks. Look at this, everyone. Following information is given of a newly set up organization for the year ended. This is for the year ended. Okay, boss. Number of workers replaced is given. Okay, left and discharged, separation is given, average is given. Calculate employee turnover rate using separation method and flux method. Oh my god, very difficult. Yes or no? Tell me separation method, what is formula? Separation divided by average number of employees. Tell me how many employees are separated. Separated, left and discharged, 25. Divided by average is 500. So how much percentage it is? 5%. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Next, flux method. Tell me what is flux? Separation plus accession divided by average number of employees. Tell me how much is separation? 25. How much is accession? Accession. Replacement is given 50. Whether fresh post is given? No. That means fresh post is 0. That means my accession is 50 only. Yes or no, everyone? Divided by average employees is 500. So how much is it? 75. Is it 15 percentage? Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Now second is equivalent employee turnover rate for one above. That is for separation and flux. Given that organization was set up on 31st January. Oh. Only how many months is over? 31st January is over. That means January is over, February and March. That means this is the employee turnover rate for 2 months. I want for 1 year. Can I convert? Yes, sir. Separation. Look at this. For 2 months is 5%. That means for 12 months is how much? 12 into 5 by 2. How much is it, students? How much the 30% per annum? Yes or no? Accession also 15% for 2 months. That means for 1 month is 7.5 percentage into 12 months. Is it 90 percentage per annum? Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Perfect, sir. This was question number 3. Then we are having question number 4, which came in May 22 examination for 5 marks. Again, a similar question only. Where is it then? Look at this, everyone. PQR Limited has replaced 72 workers during the quarter. Employee turnover rate, flux, replacement, separation is given. Calculate average employees. Okay. Left and discharged, separation. Recruited and joined, accession. Equivalent. This is for the quarter. Per annum I'll convert. Can you guys do it? Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So this concept is over. Yes, let us try quickly revising. Pay attention, everyone. Simple point. Labor costing chapter we started. Concept number 1 is labor turnover ratio. What is labor turnover ratio? It is the rate of change of employees in an organization. It is basically how much percentage employees are changing. Okay. What is the simple structure? Change in employees divided by average number of employees into 100. Average employees is opening plus closing divided by 2. When I'm telling change, what all can be there, students? Separation is also change. Accession is also change. In separation, two things will be there. Employee left will be there. Employee discharge will be there. In accession, again, two things will be there. Replacement will be there. Fresh post will be there. Is this clear? Okay. Closing number of employees, if we'll have to calculate. Opening minus left minus discharged plus replace plus fresh post. Okay. 3 different ways to calculate my labor turnover ratio. Yes, separation method. It is a separation divided by average into 100. Replacement method. Replacement divided by average into 100. Flux method. It is overall change. It is separation plus accession divided by average into 100. Simple observation. Flux is always going to be greater than or equal to the total of separation plus replacement. Two-way data will be given. Either question will give you the data, ask you to calculate a ratio, or question will give you the ratio and ask you to reverse calculate your data. If in case you are reverse calculating your data, now what you'll have to do is, yes, if at all you are doing into 100, you have to write the whole number. Otherwise, you will have to write it in terms of decimals. Simple point. Based on that, we have solved question. And then equivalent annual labor turnover ratio. Yes, if data is given for a month, for a quarter, whatever it is, I'll have to convert it into per annum. Then total cost to company due to labor turnover. It is nothing but existing employees leaving, settlement, plus recruitment, selection, training, rectification, and contribution lost due to labor turnover. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. Yes, balance things will be continuing tomorrow. Yes or no, everyone? Thank you so much, students.